With the COVID-19 pandemic sweeping the globe and more patients recovering from it, one long-term symptom keeps emerging in the reports: the brain fog. While not classified as a recognized medical condition, brain fog is an umbrella term for a very much real group of symptoms that negatively affect our thinking. Brain fog is experienced as fuzzy and slow thinking, poor concentration, difficulty remembering things, confusion, mood swings, feeling tired, scattered thoughts, and inability to verbalize thoughts. Almost everyone experiences brain fog on occasion. Luckily, the best way to cure brain fog is to figure out what is causing the problem, usually stress or anxiety, and address it directly to get rid of this pesky symptom. In today's video we are going to talk about 7 causes and remedies for brain fog. It may take 10 minutes to watch this video from start to finish, but armed with this knowledge, you'll be able to dramatically improve your mental energy, concentration, and your mood in the next 30 days. So if you're ready, let's get into it. As always, this video is educational and does not construe medical advice. We are not doctors. Number 7. Get sufficient quality sleep. If you feel a thick cloud wrapping around your thoughts, make sure to check if you're getting sufficient and quality sleep. Poor quality sleep, and lack thereof, has a severe toll on our health. It's linked to an increased risk of diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. But it also negatively impacts our cognitive performance. Our focus and attention drop, we fail to interpret environmental cues timely, and it takes us longer to react. Simply put, we're slower to think when we don't get that good night's sleep. Fixing your sleep schedule is just about the most helpful thing you can do to banish the brain fog. But it's easier said than done. If you're set on getting more sleep, first, you need to check what's causing your sleep deprivation. Some common sleep thieves are disorders such as sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and insomnia. But poor sleep habits and sleep hygiene, and excessive caffeine and alcohol consumption may also be culprits. Aim for 7+ hours of sleep per night. Every night. Create a sustainable sleep schedule and stick with it. Limit your coffee intake and avoid heavy meals before your bedtime. Avoid smartphone activity before sleep. Don't be surprised if that pesky brain fog clears away quickly after you start getting more and better sleep. Number 6. Check for vitamin deficiencies and supplement accordingly. Though nootropics, supplements that claim to improve cognitive function and end brain fog, have been gaining popularity in recent years, their efficiency is still being proven by science. So, which supplements do work? Omega-3s play a massive role in our cognitive health, mood, and behavior. They have been linked to the prevention of Alzheimer's, age-related cognitive decline, and multiple sclerosis. A study on the correlation between seafood intake, the naturally abundant source of omega-3s, and age-related cognitive decline, showed that people who consumed at least one such meal weekly got better results on thinking skills tests than those who didn't. Not a lover of fish, but want to keep your mind sharp? We suggest you reach for a good quality, sustainably sourced omega-3 supplement. A vitamin B complex supplement may be worth taking if you're looking to enhance your thinking and protect your brain. We mentioned B12 when talking about diet, but B6 and B9 or folate are equally important for brain health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and the damage they cause. It assists the brain's ability to utilize a type of omega-3 called DHA. Plus, a diet deficient in vitamin E leads to an increased risk of Alzheimer's. When looking for a vitamin E supplement, go with one from natural sources, as it's easier to absorb. Number 5. Check for underlying medical conditions. It's possible that brain fog isn't an isolated issue, but points to an underlying health condition you want to check and get treated for. Common medical conditions linked to brain fog are chronic fatigue syndrome, Lyme disease, depression, thyroid issues, and fibromyalgia. As mentioned, brain fog is one of the most commonly reported symptoms by COVID-19 survivors. Number 4. Give fasting a try. Fasting, the periods of going on without food, has been an integral part of human history for thousands of years. It's woven into most world religions, mainly due to its beneficial effects on human health and performance. Fasting started gaining massive popularity worldwide at the beginning of this millennium as a way to slim down, lower insulin resistance, and boost cognitive performance. One of its main proven benefits is improving neurological disorders and reducing inflammation. Inflammation hampers the exchange between the neurons and energy production in them, which leads to the slowing down of the brain. This translates as feeling sluggish, slow, dull, and unable to focus. Many individuals who practice intermittent or prolonged fasting report heightened clarity, faster thinking, mental sharpness, and increased concentration as some of the most significant benefits. Number 3. Break a sweat. Regular aerobic exercise has shown to expand the hippocampus, the part of our brain in charge of learning and visual memory, particularly prone to aging's adverse impacts. Developing a sustainable exercise routine is of value to anyone looking to boost their cognitive functions. Working out has multiple proven cognitive benefits. It improves memory and boosts thinking, reduces dementia risk at any age, and enhances the blood flow to the brain. Making meditation and yoga a part of your daily routine also helps your body relax and calms your mind. Number 2. Rethink your diet. On average, roughly 20% of a daily caloric intake, around 400 calories every day, are needed to sustain brain activity. It's no surprise that our brain needs high-quality fuel to thrive and perform optimally. But not all calories are created equal. Low-carb diets, particularly keto, have been gaining a lot of traction in the recent decade. One of the most significant health benefits these diets claim to have is eliminating the brain fog and enhancing mental clarity. Keto originated in the Mayo Clinic 100 years ago. Its initial purpose? Treating seizures in patients suffering from severe forms of epilepsy. Ketones produced by the liver during a ketogenic diet have proven neuroprotective properties. If you are set to gain more mental clarity and sharpen your focus, give keto a whirl. To jump on the keto bandwagon, it's essential to know that 70 to 80% of your daily calories should come from fat, 10 to 20% from protein, and just 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. Diet deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to brain fog, as this vitamin is necessary for healthy neurological function. People following a strict plant-based diet, like vegans, are more at risk of B12 deficiency because it naturally occurs in animal source foods, eggs, dairy, and meats. Processed foods are best avoided due to the strong correlation between inflammation and brain fog. No better reason to ditch sugary, carb-laden foods and drinks heavy on artificial ingredients, and swap them with whole food choices like leafy greens, berries, and herbal teas. Number 1. Try essential oils. These concentrated plant-extracted compounds have been used as healing agents in alternative medicine worldwide for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used them 4,500 years BCE. Pharaohs had their own special blends for specific purposes, to help them in war, love, and more. A study has determined that aromatherapy, a form of alternative medicine, can boost selective human attention. The most commonly used oils to help banish brain fog are rosemary. The heavyweight champion of promoting mental clarity among essential oils, rosemary has memory-boosting and invigorating properties, which is excellent for dispelling mental fuzziness. Peppermint is a stimulant and energy booster, perfect when you need a little pick-me-up and looking for a natural way to improve your memory. Lavender. Thanks to its soothing and relaxing properties, it has long been used to help unwinding, relax and sleep. It promotes a feeling of contentedness and calmness. Basil is great for stress reducing, and it helps with better recall and sharper focus. Lemon is another essential oil powerhouse. It has mood-improving, calming, anti-anxiety, and anti-stress properties. Also, it improves memory and focus. If you're looking for a natural way to unwind and sharpen your thinking, go for an individual essential oil or one of the blends that utilize the synergistic effect of multiple potent essential oils. That's it. If you're suffering from brain fog or know someone who does, why don't you try out one of these 7 solutions? To discover a 2-minute morning ritual to restore your mental vitality so you can feel healthy and young again, click the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And now, over to you. Which of these 7 ways to get rid of brain fog are you most likely to try out first? Leave your comment below. And be sure to check out our other videos.